Hey, Jeremy Osterberger here with BIC Magazine. We're at LyondellBasell's Channelview complex for the groundbreaking of the new polypropylene oxide tertiary butyl alcohol plant. I've got with me Stephen Goff, who's the site manager at Bayport, and Kim Foley, the site manager at Channelview. How are y'all doing?
Great.
Good.
Welcome.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming today.
So I'll ask you, Kim, why are we here today? What's going on?
We're here today to celebrate the groundbreaking event of our new plant. Here at Channelview, we'll have a PO/TBA plant, and at Bayport, we'll have an ethers plant.
So it's a co-located project. Talk a little bit about that, Stephen, on the integration of the two sites and how the new plant integrates into your existing processes.
Yeah, both Bayport and Channelview. Bayport is in Pasadena located. Both of these are two of our larger plants within LyondellBasell. And both are going to, by building the PO/TBA at Channelview and the ethers at Bayport, we're doing both projects simultaneously together. So project teams are very integrated working on these. They're underway at this point. We're to the groundbreaking phase and actually begin to do piling and so forth here later in the year. And come next year, you'll begin to see more and more actually pipes come out of the ground as we talked about earlier. And by 2021, both projects will be complete and the plants will be up and running.
And then we'll be here for the ribbon cutting.
And then you'll be here for the ribbon cutting.
So, Kim, can you talk a little bit about the contractors and partners on this project?
Absolutely. Fluor is doing the engineering for both projects, and S&B is doing the construction over at the Bayport facility, and we're using Zachary here at Channelview. So we have two very strong construction teams. They've both been out here on the Gulf Coast for quite a long period of time. They've got a solid workforce, great training and recruiting programs, high retention. They know how to do these big projects. We're very excited to work with both partners.
And I want to talk about the temporary jobs impact and then the long-term impact. Stephen, would you comment on that?
Yeah, again, during the construction phase, we'll peak around 2,200 contractors between the sites. And then once the project is complete, it'll net about 160 jobs here at both of our facilities, as well as outside the community. For every job we create, let's say it creates an additional 7 jobs potentially in the community as well.
Okay.
Also a big impact on the amount of taxing that will come out of this over the next 10 years for both of our areas, in the order of $453 million impact to the schools, the school districts, and taxing authorities.
And as Bob Patel mentioned, this is the largest single investment in LyondellBasell's history.
That's right.
Absolutely.
And a part of the $2.4 billion spent on this project, part of the $5 billion on the Lyondell's Granite Growth Initiative here in the Gulf Coast.
That's right.
Well, we thank you so much for your time, guys. Appreciate you visiting with BIC Magazine.
Thank you,
you.
Jeremy.